flying cars? That's right, you didn't hear it wrong. Those are cars moving in the air, but it's not an airplane. Sounds unreasonable, right? It's like in the sci-fi movie Star Wars. But car manufacturers have been preparing for the project, and it is certain that in the future, flying cars will become an essential means of transportation for people. Model for the future, flying car. Flying cars are understood as a means of transportation. Instead of running on the ground, now the car is designed with more wings to move in the air. This is considered an aircraft vehicle that can both transport on land and operate by air. The Xpeng X2 eVTOL flying car has completed a 90-minute test flight in Dubai, marking an exciting future of smart mobility solutions and short-haul flights. The vehicle is sleek and stylish, can carry 2 passengers, and is powered by a set of 8 propeller engines and has a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. Through this, we can see the beginning of new, environmentally friendly air transport and avoid traffic jams. The Liberty flying car has the same design and size as a regular car with 2 seats, but has an additional rotor that rotates like a helicopter, helping the car take off when needed. On the road, Liberty is capable of moving with a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 9 seconds, and in the air can reach a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. It takes 10 minutes to transition from a regular car to an airplane, and the distance to take off is 180 meters. With these flying cars, we will no longer have to worry about the time to go to work or school. An interesting thing is that you can get a flight certificate if you want to own a flying car. This is a flying bike called XTU Rismo, capable of flying for 40 minutes and reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Not only flying cars, but we humans also produce flying bicycles. This car has only 1 seat, so if you want, you can buy one for yourself. The car manufacturer Klein Vision of Slovakia has launched a product called AirCar, which has the ability to magically transform a car on the road into a flying car in 3 minutes. The video shows the AirCar as it glides on the road before transforming into an airplane and soaring into the sky. The conversion process can be completed in just 3 minutes. The model car has 2 seats, weighs 1,100 kgs, and can carry an additional 200 kgs payload per flight. Without the need for a pilot's license. Jetson 1 flying car model consists of 8 propellers with 4 arms extending from the fuselage each with a pair of propellers and a total capacity of 88 kilowatts. This personal flying car is classified as an ultralight aircraft, which means anyone can operate it without a pilot's license. This can be a great personal vehicle that anyone can own. Isn't it great? It will save us more time in life. Aeromobile was impressed by the range of up to 700 kilometers and the use of conventional gasoline fuel. The flying car is equipped with an autopilot engine and a parachute that turns on automatically in case the pilot has health problems. In addition, the flying car can move in many different layers of space at an altitude of about 3 kilometers. Today, there are many flying cars with different principles and experiences, but they have not been put into practice and it is still new to many people. Flying cars is one of the great inventions proving the development of the automobile science and technology of mankind in the future. After all, these flying cars have a lot of outstanding advantages. It is a useful solution for road traffic. Partly thanks to the propulsion engine, the flying car will fly faster and help reduce traffic jams. The other part will help in transportation in disaster relief operations of remote islands or remote mountain areas. In addition, it also helps to save fuel and save time very effectively. Along with it brings an exciting experience from above for the driver. We have just admired the flying car models of the future. Very interesting, right guys? If you like it, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to receive the latest notifications. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.